Oh, it's Mick from Custom Cruisers. You can see here we've got a V-string we're going to fit on this Memphis shades. Okay, not officially for this. You can see the holes don't line up, but here looks good. And as you can see, the V-string shape really good. It fires the wind up and over, you know, completely out the way. I use one of these on my bagger. Now this Memphis screen is obviously a lot cheaper than buying a Harley screen. All it's a matter of doing is trimming this bit off with a Dremel, something like that, and then a hot knife through here, or like a hot, basically get a 6-inch nail literally and melt a hole through this, because this stuff, although it's very, very strong, is very brittle, so it could well crack. You can see this one surprisingly does actually line up. You could get one of these windscreen bolts through it, but for some reason the Memphis shade seems to be made almost on the piss, because that should actually line up perfectly if it was even, but it's not. It's like lopsided when they made them. But if we just look round the back, you can see here what we're planning to do. This is just a temporary thing. You do get proper bolts with it. You can see here, if this was trimmed off, in fact now we've got it a bit lower, basically trim this thing off. So from the top, in fact, to be honest with you, you could just get rid of that bit, cut it there, and this bit here you'd need to get the hot knife through here. This will actually lift up. It's come down a bit. We're just temporarily sort of holding this thing on, but just a thought, you know, that you could actually use one of these much more high-tech V-stream screens or Klockwerx or anything else on a Memphis. So great quality. These are all the fire the wind up and over you, von Karman effect and all that stuff. But just like I say, just a matter of these don't quite line up for some reason, and it's just a matter of a red hot knife, which you wouldn't even see the marks because obviously it'd be behind the screen with this rubber anyway. But if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.